Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best skid shoes is probably one of the most important yet overlooked accessories for your snowblower. Getting the right skid shoes can dramatically improve its performance, maneuverability, and longevity by protecting your machine from damage and ensuring smooth operation across various terrains and snow conditions, ultimately saving you time, effort, and potential repair costs. Number 5. Arnold 490 Rolling Skid Shoes. Before you begin, ensure it's the right fit for your machine. It works with 2 to 3 4 and 3 bolt center machines and includes 4 washers for a secure installation. These skid shoes make moving your 2-stage snowblower a breeze. Handling and maneuvering become significantly easier. Say goodbye to scratches and marks on your pavement or garage floor. They also prevent rust stains, keeping everything looking its best. The open-face design resists wear from small rocks and pebbles. The nylon wheels are far more durable than metal alternatives. These skid shoes are rigorously tested for fit, safety, and performance. For detailed instructions, check your owner's manual. Installation is straightforward. Refer to your equipment's manual for detailed steps and diagrams. What we like. Its innovative design makes maneuvering a breeze, especially for 2-stage snowblowers. The nylon wheels are built to last and won't wear down easily. If you're worried about scratching your pavement or staining your garage floor, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Fit perfectly. Very easy to remove EGO skid shoes and install these. Put a quarter under the shoes for a minor bit of clearance. Works great. I can now roll the snowblower over my garage floor and driveway with one hand. No more scraped sidewalks or pavement. These attached easy and after using for a snow season they are still in good shape. The wheels seem sturdy and help the snowblower roll instead of sliding on my driveway. Number 4. Heavy-duty snowblower skid shoes. These skid shoes are designed to protect your snowblower from damage. They're perfect for cracked sidewalks and uneven driveways. With a 2.75-inch slot spacing, it provides superior stability and maneuverability. This ensures smooth operation even on rough terrain. It effortlessly lifts your snowblower over cracks and bumps. This prevents damage and ensures a smooth snow removal process. They are made from heavy-duty 1/4-inch plate steel for long-lasting durability and protection. It can withstand the toughest winter conditions. It features a new dual-tip design with a narrow tip on one end and a wide tip on the other. This offers versatility for different surfaces and snow conditions. These skid shoes are a worthwhile investment to extend the life of your snowblower. They'll save you money on costly repairs. What we like. This heavy-duty option effortlessly glides over uneven surfaces like cracked sidewalks and gravel driveways. Made from thick steel, it's incredibly durable and built to withstand tough conditions. If you need a skid shoe that can handle rough terrain, this is the one for you. What people say. Installed 3-inch skis on a 3-year-old Simplicity 1227. Had to use washers to extend the skis past a carriage bolt on the auger housing. Purchased the washers at Lowe's. We had a 7-inch snow last night and the skis worked as expected. They worked great. The blower did a great job gliding over the uneven areas. Very few rocks made it to the auger. The skis are very robust and I expect them to last for years. The armor skids provide the clearance needed for our rough driveway. So far, they work great and I highly recommend them. They were easy to install, I needed spacers that are sold separately, and are very well made. The auto steer still engages at times when hitting bumps but not nearly as often. These were worth the money paid. Number 3. 490-241-0010 Universal Snow Thrower Slide Shoes. These slide shoes are compatible with many 2-stage and 3-stage snow throwers. Check the description for a full list of compatible models. They're made from tough polyurethane, built to withstand cold temperatures and resist damage. The oversized design adds extra stability. These slide shoes are reversible, doubling their lifespan. Simply flip them over and reinstall when needed. Extend the life of your snow thrower with these long-lasting, reversible slide shoes. Get more use out of your equipment. Everything you need for installation is included in the kit. Bolts, washers, and nuts are all provided for a quick and easy setup. What we like. It's compatible with most 2-stage and 3-stage snow throwers, saving you the hassle of finding a model-specific part. The durable polyurethane construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you need a versatile and long-lasting solution, this is your best bet. What people say. Multi-application replacement kit that comes with various sized hardware, you won't need it all. Glides easily over coarse concrete, sidewalk cracks, etc. These work great and are a perfect replacement for metal skids. Slide easier on pavement and do not chew the ground up. Also saves your garage floor from rust marks from metal skids. These fit multiple applications. Number 2. Universal skid shoes for snowblowers. These skid shoes are designed for easy snowblower maneuvering. They're compatible with many popular brands and models. It fits various snow blower brands like MTD, Troy-Bilt, Craftsman, and more. Check your machine's bolt and slot size for compatibility. With these roller skid shoes, moving your snow blower becomes effortless. Say goodbye to struggling on uneven surfaces. Installation is straightforward. The package includes everything you need: 2 roller skid shoes, extra wheels, and a mounting hardware kit. They are built to last, providing reliable performance season after season. Enjoy smooth operation and increased longevity for your snow blower. Before ordering, please measure your existing skid shoes. Ensure the center-to-center distance and slot size match the specifications to guarantee a perfect fit. What we like. This rolling design makes moving your snow blower super smooth and easy. It fits a wide range of snow blower models. If you want a smooth, effortless snow removal experience, consider this option. What people say. It was easy to install and works great. It also makes moving the unit around a lot easier since it sits on 4 wheels now. This is a well-made product. It has no trouble rolling around on the concrete driveway. My snowblower is a good-sized Craftsman 11 HP, 30-inch path. The skid wheels make it easy to move this monster around. Adjustable. Works perfect for leveling off height so you don't throw stones or gravel. Number 1. MTD 784-5580 Slide Shoes. These replacement slide shoes are designed to keep your snowblower running smoothly. They're compatible with a wide range of models, ensuring a perfect fit for your machine. These slide shoes work with many popular snowblower brands, including MTD, Craftsman, Troy-Bilt, and Yard machines. Check the part number to confirm compatibility with your model. Installation is straightforward. They attach to the auger housing, providing a smooth glide across surfaces and protecting your snowblower from damage. Made from durable metal, they are built to withstand the rigors of snow removal. The black finish provides additional protection against corrosion. Each package includes 2 slide shoes, carriage bolts, hex lock nuts, and Belleville washers. Everything you need for a complete replacement is included. These slide shoes help protect your snowblower's auger housing from wear and tear. They allow for smooth operation and adjustable height for various snow conditions. What we like. It's a direct replacement for several popular models, making installation a snap. It's compatible with a wide range of snow throwers. If you need a reliable, easy-to-install replacement part, this is the one for you. What people say. These skids fit my old 22-yard machine perfect, took all of 5 minutes to install. There are many sellers of these snow blower slide shoes. However, I chose this one because it came with all the required hardware, stainless steel bolts, washers, and nylon lock nuts. The advantage of stainless steel hardware is that it will not rust. Heavy duty. Fits perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.